Hello, everybody. My name is Larkin, and my topic is on the importance of hospital nutrition. Included in my presentation here is some main points from my original essay. I'm going to talk about micro and macronutrients and the importance that this has on helping the body recover. And then also included later is one of the main studies that supports that malnutrition intervention models and their impact on how they can help hospitals save money and hopefully improve the food that is given to patients and also help hospitals and patients save money in the long run. So macronutrients aid in so many things. One of them is amino acids, and these aid in lymphocyte and macrophage production, which aid in the fighting off of foreign bacteria. Proteins aid in tissue repair, and also healthy fats. Not talking about saturated fats, more like more healthy oils provide the body with energy. And also micronutrients this includes more of vitamins and minerals. This includes zinc, which helps the digestion of carbohydrates, and which is the body uses to store energy to use in times of need. And then there's also vitamin C, which aids the fibroblasts in making collagen. So these two complement each other, but a balance of these is very important for patients. If patients aren't receiving this, then it can lead to issues of malnutrition if their bodies aren't receiving the adequate levels that they need. And patients usually recovering are going to need even more than the average healthy human being. And there's many issues why this can happen. One of the main reasons why hospitals are having trouble with this is due to budget constraints. But there's this study that I wanted to mention. So it took the main goal was to lower 30-day admission rates and also observe the impact that these intervention models had for hospital budgets. And they found amazing results, averaging savings per patient for $1,500. And this study did take place over a 7-month period, but it's something to take in consideration. The impact that the awareness and making sure that patients are receiving some kind of treatment and intervention for malnutrition early on has shown to, in this study, increase savings for hospitals. This money can be used for better quality food, for additional resources wherever it might need it, but hopefully for more healthy food and providing patients the nutrients necessary to help their bodies recover after whatever they're fighting. This could be post-surgery, recovering, it can be chronic wounds, whatever it might be. The food that they eat is going to determine how quickly they recover. So if hospitals are able to collaborate and put their heads together from all the different scopes of practice, this includes hospital administrators, how they plan their budgets, working with doctors and physicians' assistants, nurses, dietitians. Everybody comes into play, and everybody has a role in this. It's a task that includes everybody. And also, if there's just a general high level of awareness among hospital staff of nutrition in general, and it's valued highly, and malnutrition is also screened early on, it's going to help in the long run provide higher levels of patient care and making sure that patients are receiving the care that they need through nutrition. And it's going to save hospitals money. It's going to save not only hospitals money, but patients money as well during their time and their stand during the hospital, during the recovery. And it's going to increase flexibility for budgets. And hopefully this money could be spent on higher quality of food provided for patients. Thank you for your time. That's all I have. And next page is Works Cited. Thank you so much for listening in. All right.